a new background. Hi everyone, it's Hannah here, and thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. Yes, my YouTube channel. But today is going to be another DIY video day. But if you're new to my channel, my name is Hannah, and I'm kind of crazy. But you know, we'll get past that. And get straight into this video. So today I wanted to go ahead and show you guys this DIY blackhead remover. Now I do know, sometimes our blackheads are so bad that just pore strips do not work. So this is just a disclaimer, if kind of the knowledge that I do have is if you do have really bad blackheads, think about going in and getting a facial done, going and getting extractions done. But of course everyone's skin is different, so please take caution and do your research. But the little DIY I'm doing, it's like kind of something I've always heard. I tend to get those Biore nose strips, but those tend to be pricey, so I'm just kind of like, maybe there's something in our home pantries already that we can use without having to go buy a 6-pack of pore strips for like 15 bucks. Pause. Take a moment to pause 1 second. Before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I do post new videos here every week. Get on that. Make sure you click that notification and bell button so you're notified on when my new video does go up, because otherwise if you're not, clicking that notification bell, then you'll never know when a video goes up because YouTube won't tell you. But without further ado, guys, now let's really get into this. Quick disclaimer, with any DIY I show you guys, make sure you do a skin patch test to make sure you're not allergic to anything. Also, within my DIY, I do recommend you make the paste a little thicker. I know mine kind of thinned out, but no worries, just giving you guys a quick heads up. Video.
Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself, boy. And my love for you caught it from the jump.
Hold up, easy on the syrup. We've been going a while. Is it time to cut the butter on a couple items? Cause I know you're gonna slip on me a couple of times. You should think about it. Spark, will you burn for another lover? I don't wanna waste time, but my flame's hot. I love you, I mean it if you do. Tell me we're sipping the same brew. Hooked on the Kool-Aid, I'm thirsty for good news.
I love you more than I love myself, boy. And I love myself way too fucking much.
Alright you guys, that is it for my DIY blackhead remover video. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I do post new videos here every week. And make sure you click that notification bell button, because YouTube won't notify you unless you click that bell. Also, make sure to like this video if you guys want to see more DIY videos like this. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna go for real now. Alright, bye.
Way too fucking much. Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself, boy. And my love for you caught it from the jump.